Hey there, boaters. Do you love exploring the beautiful lakes, rivers, and the Gulf of Mexico around Houston, Texas? Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned sailor, having the right boat insurance is crucial to protect your watercraft and yourself. So, what exactly is boat insurance and why do you need it? Boat insurance is a specialized policy covering your boat, motor, trailer, and personal watercraft. It shields you from financial losses due to accidents, theft, or damage while on the water or in transit. Plus, it includes liability protection in case you cause injury or damage to others. Now let's dive into what boat insurance typically covers. First up, physical damage. This covers repairs or replacements if your boat is damaged in an accident or by natural events like storms or fires. Next, liability protection. This kicks in if you're responsible for causing injury or property damage to others while operating your boat. And don't forget medical payments. This part of your policy helps pay for medical expenses if you or your passengers are injured while on your boat. Then there's uninsured, underinsured boater coverage. This protects you if you're involved in an accident with another boater who doesn't have enough insurance. But here's the big question. Can you get an instant online quote for boat insurance? Absolutely. At DiamondBack Insurance, we offer instant online quotes for boat insurance right here in Houston, Texas. This feature allows you to quickly review your coverage options and pricing, making it easier than ever to protect your watercraft. And guess what? Instant online binding is also available. That means you can secure your boat insurance policy right after receiving your quote. No more waiting around. Get your boat protected in just a few clicks. You can even get an instant online insurance proposal. This allows you to review and adjust your coverage options before finalizing your policy, ensuring you get the right protection for your needs. Wondering how to get started? For an instant boat insurance quote, visit diamondbackins.com. You'll receive a fast, detailed quote and can bind your coverage immediately. So whether you're a Houston local or just visiting to enjoy our stunning waterways, make sure your boat is protected with the right insurance coverage. Contact DiamondBack Insurance today and get started on securing your peace of mind. Thanks for watching and happy boating.